Observer high juicy news, Mema Obibia Aquawa, Hadia latest and hot news and Aramede Bremo. And it is on subscribe to channel idea, Bomodia say, oh, best subscribe. The way I say, over click it, the subscribe button. Now, our belly notification, where the video for free be uploaded. When the first person I want to ever can ASR video. I feel we are now like video to give us a thumbs up now. Fee share my work for so now when you be here now, who and somewhere also Ewagara Memano. I feel Yambura and somewhere Abeto Yaponoso. A year Captain Smart on your TV morning show host, what they and someone to any Kennedy Agyapong in a radio or the one to a paso and a Secrét. The Captain Otchere say a year 100 million Ghana City contractor. The mom say one bay street light 190 million auditor general report. Ade ehonsem ababetuja and Kennedy Agyapong must account for that money. Na Captain Smart any body and sem do na tuja na wa to be their money Kennedy Agyapong papa nya sam ketwa and tentemara yenko na kachi da yenkutie and sem Captain Smart edi tuja efa Kennedy Agyapong yenkutie and sem Captain Smart edi tuja yintie ni sem
so mo isanya sadibia ka ma Kennedy Agyapong 102 million Ghana City street light contract. Do you know why? Kennedy Agyapong had the effrontery and otchere Anas. No, yeah, Anas who eduma. Kennedy Agyapong now yeah after that besi wayome. And who eduma it is a wajib contract no execute ya. What been coming to no on the yere. Mewa. What been yana Papa wait to be nya kukudro be catch na dampare wo so te ho. CDS te ho. NIB. Sammy me koka galamsey asama nka NIB ache 5 times. Kennedy Agyapong say he was called Gabby said he was offered a bribe of $800 million. Yeah. Ghana security in Penifam. You guys sat down and watched this thing. Say I offered a bribe of $800 million and nobody did anything. A country like Ghana, poor nation. I hear Sikaya Quine, a school dying, I ensuo, Kwabrane say your friend say, Omeji $800 million. Don't step it down. Damn parent to me and channel, NIB and to me and channel, Shraj and Kahohe, Dai Yoko, and Kahohe, your friend saying, check my style. Check my star. Me ame wafa. Sensi kandapa. And to me and chicken Kennedy Agyapong. What kind of a country are we building? Look for that video and play for me. And you guys think that we are joking. What you are saying? We also $800 million. Kennedy Agyapong say a joke. Say ombeji $800 million. Na on tenase. Men kobi Yenya nipe bi a odwen ebo kroba mana amfre no but let me tell you I am not Ahmed Swale so when ma me catch ro he fantini bi hu cha igbeni na santini bi hu cha nsremuni me nya Ahmed Swale obi nka check the Japan ente she wa na wo ho nka won fi one blow say po ka bete poke so when ma me catch me I am saving a country. I am not interested in any political party. I don't give a damn to MPP. I don't give a damn to the NDC. Yanka no kurebi okurumha. Ade amba on my way ntimi nkọ name corruption. Now today let me take my time. Let me want take corruption as I say. Ni pe bi o wa asase so. Including Yesu Christo. All of us, was born corrupt, including Christ. But a year and obey decide say, me corrupt. A son say Yesu, Sunsum Konkron and ne marry die. Nemum obana chimono wu nunti. Satan nya kukudro. It me ko catch and says, "Wo say we nyame bad ya ye say we nyame bad than oboyi abodo." Satan wanted to corrupt Christ, but the son said not Christo or ye nyame na wa body trimu pose on me feeling kekawa en kane hunti one succumb to Satan. we were all born corrupt. Ye corrupt. Ye sadi ye. Then it is up to Kennedy Agyapong. Say ne yire o danachi wakwaji contract 100 million Ghana cedis so obey street light wanye ese Kennedy nya adwe say me yire we ye krom for 1 meja 2 fisika ne koma aban ese say Captain Smart etimi ase say number 1 ye your mind ye political party enti wuntimi nkote baabi na wunria aban niema no wrong but eno eneni panti ase when the African man is corrupt he calls himself a businessman and I will explain. Bible ni Quran mu kura nyameje 10%. It is a way a contractor. Me a mom abaye juma. Now profit margin ye 10%. I think it's enough. But sa wo kwaje kwan no school dan no na wo ji sika na wan sia. Trouble wo ho ye beje sika. And I came here to sound this warning. Why was we MPP minister, MP chief executive, we are Bermano or Afrawa Pamenko? Mutu Kwabena Agyapong and Afenyo Markins, who join minority no mu Jamanum mu Jamanum Kennedy Agyapong $30 million contract, Professor Mills the time. Why Jumano you will cost the money? Somebody should tell Kennedy Agyapong. Why you won't bear my Oklahoma? You think you are the only man? Me, I was waiting for the right time to deal with people at the right time. Bisa Ken said $30 million no contract, no. Oh yeah. Before time, Kennedy Agyapong, air conditions and necessary supply to ministries, departments, and agencies. No, he did not. And this man can have the effrontery to sit in this country. We a minister of state, no per contract to a honor one farmer, not the work what's on the TV in the radio. So no, I was so pow, poto. Bosa we yamashi should now American work was sign contract now, man. Really? No. Me, Obien who okrom peken asem chene. I'm telling you today. But some 100 million Ghana cedis street light contract in the one can check Kennedy Agyapong opa onye the ope. That money he must account for it. On the year. And nobody is afraid of that man who he must get it straight. If you say, your friend said, Papa, your friend said, your husband said, 3P. Say 3P kwaje abai 100 million Ghana. Nigeria kwaje 100 million. Mema kwaje 100 million. Efiaje 100 million. Peter je 100 million. Kennedy Agyapong kromu kwaye disika na me. Not to krom haso wosika. Masa. Wosika. Really? Really? Auditor General's report now, a ball where you medino. The same Auditor General's report in a ball within say 100.2 million Ghana cedis. A shawayenato street light no ye. And then Afenyo Markins can be doing blah 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 blah. Say orally illegal. We a bema. Wa ora befra wono menko. But you know, English ya man from MP on one can say because in Misro asare ya tombi ma me nkrata de ma return mafia. You think sir people I want to stand. People think we are fools in this country. No, I want to stand. People think we are fools in this country. I don't prefer to say Jimmy and yet see your name we Ghana for the yabobo adam the nim jansa. who person otchere me say efia TSC afefefe sanka efia ono yamano East Legon asase 1 acre so go to 50,000 in compare ha na MPP nkwadan ketenkete amu sabe mu jabo na akra mo hu moto pepa akra mo so ada mo kasa useless cocoons one so anu mo bie o ma no mo kasa you were following such a corrupt administration and people don't want us to talk me he ma kachre NDC for an say me hwamudi na mo de monte kwakwa na mbete poke kote kwakwa he ombe bo mo nsema ma me se o maina yetimu no bebia MPP sis he sa papa de fe na Akufo Addo ho won so mo bu ni tini to from class na osre
no osre ahomasro de ahomasro osre
and you people think that and Akufo Addo almost say SSO obia wo enye obia wo sika bia okrom ha na corrupt. But someone should tell Kennedy Agyapong yere say 100.2 million Ghana cedis no she would account for that money. Tell me with him how useless something is. Now wa pay my 3 me obi mpo ba ma me o Ken I am telling you today Ken me obi mpo ba ma me and a sabia buru sabia nyado yetete ma hemfienti mi ndi kwase ya wuni ma me catch when net plane girls now was small no me useless women omo ho kura anyefe omo aporo omo nyenyenyan bi sa you bring such a ladies to me me a guy brutal minimenku ane boarding aye tomo ba asra yi and yes I useless things now you sent them to me no. Get it straight. When you want to fight corruption, the system will fight you. And me, I am ready to fight the system. That is why I JB Frebi, na no two ahene, no see ahene. Me we are rougher, me too.
Odogu.
We are rougher, me too. And it's about time again for you to see a TSS and yet MPP and then NDC. And yet MPP and NDC. Look, eh? See, as you doom Kania. Now, Francis, you doom Ododio Kania, say MPP parliamentary candidate. So, no, so Kania bedum. Kania no MPP. Kania no NDC. Meanwhile, your friend saying, Afenyo Markins say abani nya dabi nya Afenyo Markins sam wo energy minister bi na okodo za kwa reference debe ya
I haven't crap
house then o say abani no problem bi ani ho na onye bema na abani face problem rubbish and useless
open that was
rubbish and useless say at kroma huh Abai we have boka over $2 billion na egu achiri. Bibia ofri. Akufo Addo ene ne Ken Ofori Atta. Etimi a raise bonds nko anya bese bonds ne nko 13.3 billion 13.5 billion dollars. 13.5 billion. Ken Ofori Atta ni Akufo Addo entimi anti 2 billion. Any kakra bi edaso granted 3 billion entimi anti 3 na that 13 no so enkotweka emfie nwotwe an Akufo Addo bedi president nkroma wentua gas kada ofri now it was a we MPP ni fa Jimmy free TV ni so 3 years wentua gas kada 3 years fuel ani yedi kogum kutukutukutu dia wo so kane wo fie na ye free. Send some Mahama Nimyan Sachen and Adwa, Kennedy Sumu says, I'm no Casay. I'm telling you today.
What's it?
Missing yes, Mahama Nimyan Sachen and Adwa, Kennedy Sumu. And Mahama said that. No, I'm not interested in say where and say we'll keep the lights on. This is Nyansania me to Abama no. And I am proud of myself. I voted for John Dramani Mahama. Me to Abama Pebedi president. When I vote against you, you are going to opposition. Next time we share me with Tokrum baby, who say many na ye call, who can say Kanea. Mom, some I catch up down Ghana for who I am. Na me te banchwa, na me di makokora, na me te hodi, na me hemo, na me sere.
Now, Osa,
Sisifi, na me shemo di. You guys don't know me.
Oh, mesre.
Mafia. Akufo Addo, Oko. Petrol ye digu aeroplane wenja 1 gallon. Gallon. Wenja bi gallon. Aviation fuel no be nikoto.
That gallon dey always say you say gallon.
Gallon say. Akufo Addo wenja 1 gallon.
Gallon dey na can you say.
That be gallon.
You say.
Wenja bi Nana wenja 1 gallon. I told you. Rollins eja bosome miensa. Kufuor eja bosome miensa. Mahama Nana do bosome nsia fuel. Akufo Addo okono. Ojayen 3 hours. Enrubo ebi say 5 hours. Granted. Hold on, meba. Fuel ojayen no. I came here to tell you. Senyesa Mahama ni nyansa chen Akufo Addo a. Anka fuel eni Ghana keye nya binto. Ye Kenyan sasema wadwa say a political party. Who ye people ni chairman? Nonsense. Time na ye bu ye voter regia catch abo. Ye nam srem a ye bu ye krobi o don't know ye force na rugu o say na rugu. Eboa
okoye de o.
O say
okoye de.
Me koye campaign na me kufo.
E na ye de.
NPPT
E na ye de.
Bo mu bu ye no.
O ye de bo.
Na bag bo machi.
Kasa. Okoye de.
Bag bo machi.
Okoye de.
Yeah. One so muna ye be a bag mu na say. How did these things get into your bag?
What is that thing?
You are nonsense. Nonsense. Where people need to huh? Where people need to me say Bisa Akufo Addo I saved his life twice. Otchere Rebecca kura nim. Na no so they been kada. Listen. Enye sa ene ye bu man. Nyabutre. Enye sa ne ye bu man. Se say na Rollins jama Akufo anka Akufo betime bu man. Really? Se say ena Mills Akufo so jama Mills a Camels betime atena. Se say ena your friend say Mahama jama na do ye anka betime. Because nyansa ye di bu man every before you buy wo ni bi. And I would break it down for you. So more is nyansa di bi anka ye ma Kennedy Agyapong 102 million Ghana cedi street light contract ni in January. Do you know why? Kennedy Agyapong had the effrontery and otchere Anas. No, yeah, Anas who adwuma. Kennedy Agyapong now yeah after that besi wayo me. And who adwuma it is a waje contract no execute ya. Which mean ka enchira no onne ne yere. Mewa. What to be nyane Papa wait to be nya kukuduro be kache na dampare wo so te ho. CDS te ho. NIB. Se me na me koka galamsey asema nka NIB ache me 5 times. Kennedy Agyapong say he was called
Yeah.
said he was offered a bribe of $800 million.
Yeah.
Ghana security in Penifam. You guys sat down and watched this thing. Say I offered a bribe of $800 million and nobody did anything. A country like Ghana, poor nation, I hear Sikaya Quine, a school dying, I ensuo. Kwabrane say your friend say Omeji $800 million. Don't step it down. Damn parent me and channel. NIB and me and channel. Shraj and Kahohe. Yoko. And Kahohe. Your friend saying, check my style. Check my star. Me ame wafa. Sensi kandapa. And me and chicken Kennedy Agyapong. What kind of a country are we building? Look for that video and play for me. And you guys think that we are joking. $800 million. Kennedy Agyapong say a joke. Say ombeji $800 million. Na ontenase men kobiemu. Yenya nipe bi a odwen ebo kroba. Mana amfre no. But let me tell you, I am not Ahmed Swale. So when ma me catch ro. He fantini bi hu cha igbeni. Na santini bi hu cha nsremuni. Me nya Ahmed Swale. Obi nka check the Japan. Ente she wana wo ho nka won fi one blow say po. Ka bete poke. So when ma me catch me, I am saving a country. I am not interested in any political party. I don't give a damn to MPP. I don't give a damn to the NDC. $800 million. So we are doing Kennedy Agyapong station. Think. Also, what do you mean? Omeji $800 million. Usuposu in tracker. Abranti ya onome starting to kwe. Kweku Annan. Ni entwianeka. Look for that video for me. $800 million. But video, mami. Bo.
Oh, I say, mami, $500 million. Now me step down. For me, do approach me. Me see delegates any Ghana who don't. I would never do it.
Time FM.
The money they offered was $800 million. If he doesn't know, you should ask Mr. Ofori.
Who offered that money?
It is
no. You see, Ghana for doing Brafie and this thing want to become a president. Do you know how much money I was offered? We have a catch us over 150. Kennedy Agyapong, you don't know. We go America now treat taxi. Taxi driver ban a America. Or what? And then 150. Or Mississippi. Now from house of Biat to house of Biat, look at the bound. Who is afraid? I'm did Yankopon. Peter on him. No, smart girls. Hey, Ken, really? And me? Me will be problem, and me will be Safia. Corruption there will come. The NT am I to be fighting? A Ghana and Central for. O my say me. JB, Efiatago, Unia TV, TV3, Joy, One, TV stations, radio stations, media houses, and what Ghana. Yen, Yama, yen to me fighting corruption. I'm telling you today. Yen, because the media is corrupt. The media is corrupt to the core. Oh, say Centronia or ye Kessie, Wabo Sakura, TV Sunni radio so, etimi ko chief of staff office, say me yere car say na kafi temua. Chief of staff didn't go asem obetumi aka. Who was Centronia penny wo krom ha, senior journalist. Na ye ko hu $1 million will be them or say ne bra wu ye na ye born sa sabe buru sabe nya do. Asante him akura wu ye, otumfo nya $1 million in sabode. No. Come to think of it. Sabi buru sabi nyado. Enya ba ni na me de be kasa asam ye. Acha me mfancha me sabi buru sabi nyado. Asante him akura wu ya asante manya nsabode $1 million. Now when you're senior journalist not to TV so say ne bra wu ye ne your bonds $1 million. Okay, Ghana for me catch them on ne me met me the afia eka met me at the JB ka met me at the Abraham ka Peter ka 3P garlic met me at the ka but say me we are Ghana sika de Kwadwo me nya eno de me nya. If you don't know, I am telling you, eno de Kwadwo me nya. We say what the minister, what the MP, we say ora frawa wonko. We are bema, I am men ko. Oh, simple. Parliament one negotiations here. Juma say, who the man make catch her? Afenyo Markins to sorry fee appointment committee no a plan.
A lie.
A lie. Ah, you think we don't know? We know. Parliamentary democracy. Parliament woman a show mra. And on one they do mra so. Tieni Afenyo Markins catch that say they will never stage a walkout and I want within the next 1 hour. No asore Agyarko. A
lie.
A lie.
A lie.
Ya traba komatie.
Let's say a lie. David, when you be at.
Ya tra komatie.
Let's say who say we dey cry.
Let's say who say we dey cry.
A lie.
It's when them Afenyo Markins enter parliament. No country say oral illegal. What do you mean there? Afenyo Markins sika bi ani ni ho. Afenyo Markins we dey cry.
A lie.
Afenyo Markins sika bi ani ni ho. Ento country say illegal la ono ye mfre no. But when you trafia say we the former defense minister na menko. When say jeto wo fie ho no ye hu say $9 e wo fie menko.
But where is your edam Akufo Addo ni?
What ya wo say what 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14
And boys akoko di mutu
14 houses. Each house I more than $2 million. Say ora frewa aya menko the Afenyo Markins speaker onye no he Ninuya Hassan Ayarega onye no he oye MP or enjoy immunity when the court crack akura kwahye ne sam wo kwam amra ne se manage buntimi nchi Afenyo Markins tu na wo de wo so ye be ma
Dongo
aya menko
we abu afa ha.
What I am call. Oh, don't go. Well, we are Berman, or Afrewa. I am call. Now, who says Senna or the former Auditor General? Don't level to what town?
See you people for Boakye.
On my way, we will save this country and nobody.
Because you yes sorry ko na no rafwe na mi ko East Lagos omone am so mo gba yom kwa na eba omone guys bi na who say who free hand mo kwa who branch ko East Lagos kwa no so omo defense will be not fence was an chance down omo the fast as on your project omo jini na gram say oh say
what ya what's we Bema don't go what ya Bema men ko Ghana for you. And yes, obi papa be ko jail. And yes, obi papa ko da baby and a do. But that's we are security and intelligence. We are crime analysis. There will be afraid the deterrent theory. Somebody must be deterred from committing crime. Huh? Somebody must be afraid of committing crime. Omena yetim no wuntumi tumi nya akukuduro no wakotena TV so na o show gold no wakatwa say this is real cash And nobody questions anyone. Obia biso obia she. Me MPP for say me twa ban no eti ye fra me Ghana Revenue Authority me koye a panel of 7 and ete ho ye tro me krata mimi ho hinti ye ma ohima wo ye je krata ne bi wo ohima wo ye je no ma no wo pa afre no oye restaurant ene shito. And so mimi ho hinti ye fa Ghana Revenue Authority e fa krata tro hima wo ye je se o mbe yi anu kwan o fa so a oye shito. Nyabutre shito ye the cement na ye shito. Yey mimi ti Kweku Annan GRA friend no ye invite me am ko teni o me a presenter like me. My year Juma from 2001. Obe so ka chem say dynasty Tantra Hills intimi say sanka me nyanya ansafo. Sanka me nyanya ansafo. From Radio Peace to Otek me 1 month salary me the top brand new car tier rubber. Kobi so Otek for the control. Na ya for Romeo white. AS801T. From there to Kes Radio, I was the highest paid presenter. From there to Fox FM, I was the highest paid. From there to Adom, I was the highest paid presenter. From Adom to Angel, I was the highest paid presenter. You want to tell me, sir, me sit down and sit antrano? Now, Afenyo Markins, the Ghana Revenue Authority for him. How did you build your house? And so, oh, Papa Cement Aira. Captain, you don't respect them. Say, hey, Tobo. Oh, Papa Cement Aira. Oh, Papa Cement Aira. Oh, Papa Nsuo Aira. Oh, Papa Yon Ross Aira. Oh, Debbie. So, why did you call me here? These are the receipts of the things I bought. Oh. And I bought them on credit. My many friend queer.
What is your name?
Of Uncle Runabout.
Oh.
Oh. But so be the minister 8 years. No, we're dying 14. Captain Smart, they invite no. But minister, in fear what he is smart. And then do 9. What's the Debbie? Look, let me stand here and tell whoever is listening. Hey, John Mama.
Captain Smart.
Tiemye. Me mo be and that say. And I want you be be harding. And a father for all. Professor Mason called the father for all. But who? Listen, Ghana for her. Me Johnny. Man to aba man say be mkrum kwan hu. Mempe. Cause in Futokwa na my first word tantra sa 8 years. I am immune to Futokwa.
Wani.
The entire to abama wo joma ama ne se. Unima me ka kire. And say. The entire to abama wo ne se. Unima ye ka kire o John. And say 1 Ghana could receive bonds $13.5 billion. $13.5 billion. No? We want to know. That's number 1. John, if you don't know, I am telling you.
He is smart.
Number 2, Nanado. Wabobisia 1.2 trillion. Ghana cities, and yet old Ghana cities, when you for time no. Current cities no 1.2 trillion. We want to know. Are there this Asican yay? We want to know. That's number 2. Point number 3, Cocoa board. Or the car close to $5 billion. That is how much Cocoa board is owing.
You have just
Cocoa board. Yeah, the cocoa na yen say, when him say, oh, Mahama no mamo. Cocoa na ye better na few no. Akufo Addo de esi awa mfie nson e hyase 2024 nti mfie nsia da Mahama ni mi ho bedi 4 years akoko na e bete okrom ha no Ofori Atta ni Akufo Addo de esi awa dada agi sika wo ho adi mfie nkron that is Kennedy. So we want Mahama to come investigate and tell us then yede Ghana koko na kosi awa agi sika na di dada. That is number 4. Number 5, John A. Osaje full badge. My penny that fly Lieutenant General John Rawlins and a krabai. When to me and Tiakanwe and a J. Akufo and the Sika sauce near Tamadian from Italy and the Adeba Ghana. John A. Yadi Adian bedroom Ghana no. Esiwa. One Casa John Mahama would be president no. Who can say Italians they say Adiano around and a yet to Amenano Square. Instead, the Adian Siswa and ye and Crawford go here, Juma, no Lusu 2016. Akufo Addo Aton Adie $125 million no scraps. May you try $3.5 million. This is what we want you to investigate. Point number 6. Kennedy Agyapong yere waje 102 million Ghana cedis so obey street lighter e wo Ghana hey na abaya na anye. We want to know. Maybe a scar boy. We want to know. The next point we want to know is say then a get fund. Rollins na de buy. It's me koto aduane a na yate 3p garlic or ye adwuma na yate tax near the akoto get funding say enkwada textbooks I say it be printing books emma ye man no mko school matimi akan say ye man a ya wo no okosko a onya table akonwa ne pono tena ho kana Ofori Atta ne nana ado de akosi awa agisika edi mfie nso enti say ya me no ka say get funding so ye de asi awa. We want to know at the kuna omudi si awa no sika ne de omudi ye Mahama. Next point e-levy. Ghana Revenue Authority. Ghana for se munima me catch on your money e-levy. Ghana Revenue Authority energy e-levy. There's a special account at e-levy come. Who is in charge of that account? Who owns that account? Who operates that account? Mahama, that is what we want to know. Hey, mama me try e-levy mke ko ene bra unim benya asem. Wani. Wutwam wiya. Ma yehu. Se sika no. Na ekwa ha. Na ekwa ha. At the account with Ghana for I report some they say e-levy daso Paris in the sia wa.
Kasongo ye. Mombali nanga. Kasongo mbona.
Omo de sia wa. Betting tax na. I've heard people say, "Hey, me aminia Gideon Boako. I respect him so much. A very young, fantastic man. Gideon, I respect you so much. But listen to me. Bawumia can't better betting tax. You were supporting it. We should laud Bawumia for saying, sir, better betting taxing. Okay. Mahama can't better be. I will see it will do something to the IMF deal. Really. Bawumia na Mahama hwana ni mnyansa. Mahama ni mnyansa bebere boom che Bawumia. Se nyansa ni catch us memo aduane edi. Ha? No obi so a otenche ba bi so catch us memo aduane edi a tie nyansa ni nasem. Oh, cause nyansa ni catch us memo aduane edi a yes. Obi fufura catch us memo aduane edi a ne. Oh. It's emfa Bawumia ntoto Mahama ho kra. What is Who the man make catch now? And then me be adwuma. Me yeso a make crowd am ko. What do you not to nchen a? Den na buy se me printed textbooks. Number 1. Number 2, enkwara no ye nkyere wo ma de. Number 3, bibi ani ho. De be printed textbooks. Meanwhile, I buying the get fund akosia wa enti yakoto 60 million Ghana cedis here yakoto past questions. Say a tikrum hey. na me tie sa na what say Captain Smart akotoka ye na ye epu akohwa 1992 Toyota Datsun 1992 na Captain Smart akoto no de be say Ghana for me hwese akotoka ebe yofe. Would you like it? Na yet your manya enkwada no edwene daache no ye de enkwada ye mana san wo machi akoto past questions tiri past questions na ye de abra ye man say munsua eno editum bia na mkofa ne fi America bae Mahama investigate editum. There should be a commission to invite Edutum. Me and I'm buy. Hey, me body Babra. Ofei, you appear before a commission to come and explain how the government was not able to print textbooks, but rather had 60 million Ghana cedis to buy past questions. At cabinet, who proposed that and who agreed to that? You should invite Edutum. Next thing, NAPO. Oya energy minister. Mahama kofa Mary, ukwa Kumasi a, ukwa Asante Bediatuo say Akufo Addo abesi a substation. Me kan na kyerɛ Akufo Addo oye kohwini. NAPO oye kohwini. Sama Mary na Mahama kofa fi UAE ba ye na. Ye na ye ka home kwa se fa kan oketechi afrifa ye fense Paul Adomochiri ye didi Mahama tem se dum so aba wo be ya de papa no so kofa Mary aba Mahama kofa ba $5 million. Ehoka $5 million na free UAE ebedu Ghana. Say ade na Mahama na oto na ye say sabe onye nyansani no abaye Ghana japade ye twa ho kawi tie dia. Etienne, se voter region kania duma no ase etam no bum ni de kosi voter region ya mom kania. Central region kania dum bum ni atam ko ya mom kania. Greater Accra dum bum ni atam aba. $5 million. NAPO ni Akufo Addo eni Ofori Atta e di free takrade akokumasi a $41 million. No so dey lorry fare. What's over the $41 million aye lorry fare? And you see, Mr. Producer, I'm sorry, because I have to say something. My son, I should catch him some time as soon as I'm call. Me that say, and I feel they make call. Now you're really at home, and people were saying, "What we MPP need to fear? Bow down your goddamn maggot infested head in shame." When you are buying an would actually awesome. We any abai then na do kura bulletproof kura no sika bebrebe om je no ntumi antobi honorable ya fa say apia kubi bulletproof na Akufo Addo no ohye ntumi kura antobi. You think we don't know? Me asembia ko wo okrum ha obekra me Watantra Hills and so akọ apia kubi also imagine bulletproof as Akufo Addo akofie. You think you see trippy uko Jubilee House ahun ubesu o ma Jubilee House to say a dilapidated market Peter light we are since the whole seat of government cable way exposed o ma Jubilee House to say the secondary school there and could I demonstration no ma say no Ghana for this is how these people left Ghana for us. Me MPP ni chen we ma me catch na won ne enipa 7 a ye de MPP ba power 2000 wo counter list na my number 3 a my number 4 me 2004 ye de party this aba biom my number 3 a my number 4 2016 ufa media ni na me number 1 am de Akufo Addo be say akunyan so. And then 2024, I am number 1. I am the Odogu number 1. Asante Mahama besi akunyan so. I'm telling you today. Who call Jubilee House? We must say Jubilee House. Uko Jubilee House toilet no kura uko head seat the WC no kura uko head the way a omuja ho a ubisa ho senti na nipa na te ho ye adwuma ana say mwa na gu ho kwa the way o my Jubilee House say esa aban sa ko besika foforo esa ko say Jubilee House na sa wo ware your ba ne tifie no ntumi mpra wo bedroom neba oja ne na gu pampers ma no wato mpase a so ba na eda ne tena Basically, Jubilee House. Said on my Jubilee House. Jubilee House. The same thing. And Asante regional minister. Sakwano. Me se me ni na difufu. Minim kios are no come bansa ya be difufu. And you be na ka into a pound court. Me ni na kwa difufu. Sama no se mensa. Me ni na difufu. The kwa Eban Road to Hono. Wo fa efia Kobi market wa okwo anim kakra won sa right. Me ni na difufu. They are the fufu de papa. Captain, I'm coming. No, I fuck you also. Oba fufu oba buy no. It be share him taste. I say, "Okay, wo did you?" I said, "I never saw the head day." Bema de wo win now. Share the way as someone or seven son. Or yeah, Asante Regional Coordinating Council. What said we say ho. We na someone kind say oba no. Na eka 1.5 million Ghana cedis edaho granted it's 1.5 million Ghana cedis no we increase the cost no over 20 million but what the 800,000 Ghana cedis ekwakoye renovation e wodan fufuru 10 year regional coordinating council adan bebrebe ho nyina no kay 1.5 million betimi asiesie wanye what the 800,000 Ghana cedis akoye renovation add over 1 million Ghana cedis atoto furniture gum na waja baby abanye sese wotna no ato na wase no and this man had the effrontery to issue a statement and spew this rubbish in that statement. Ghana na da hono nyobi ade a Ghana na ye dia me na me bed na obitim 745 na me wie fa be wo so ti me wie.
Yo, waiting for waiting and somewhere here, Captain Smart, Odia TV show money host, and somewhere what they are to do for here, Kennedy Agyapong and in a home and Captain Eddie and some do an hour and Atuja. Make house so we can subscribe to channel idea, Bomodia say, or subscribe. Nafi, while like video to give us a thumbs up, Nafi, share my work for Froso, when you be here now, and somewhere also, Ghana memoir. So wait me otchere wadwen afa aye and some we nyina ho will comment box ni mu mubeti minkabium in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.